Hello, devalmo here, wonderful more excited with the channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. A new video is up every other Saturday. Let's go! Although I want this series to be completely beginner friendly, I do realize that the complexity is raising by each video. To understand this one, you need to know both useState and useRef. But worry not, I already have videos on the subjects and they are available in the card. Now let's understand the code starting at the top. We are importing useRef from React and a custom component called counter. In the app, we have a ref which is using useRef. Inside our return, we have our title. We are calling counter, passing ref as our property. And we have a button, which we are passing our useRef. And now we have our button. That on click, we are running a function increment inside ref. Now we are going to our custom component counter. In here, we are importing forward ref, useImperativeHandle and useState. Now we have our custom component counter that we are exporting. Notice that this is equal to a normal function, but around this normal function we are placing forward ref. Now we are setting a state called counter. We have our increment function that is increasing by 1 the state count. Notice that in our counter we are receiving props and ref. Now we have our imperative handle that we are passing ref and our increment function. That way we can access increment in our app component. Now we are returning a button which is running increment and a title which has the value of count. Now we can understand that this button right here is this one. And what the button should be doing is incrementing by 1. Alright, it's working. Now we have our outside button. This one is in our app function. We are running the increment function from the other component in this one. Now we can see the effect that it does. It does the same effect the other increment button. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to help me by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Also, admin social media, the links are available in the description. The code we just did will be in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!